Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will learn how to download and install the Google Maps package on Windows. So to install any package or library on Python, we need Python and pip. So at first we will download and install both Python and pip, then we will install the Google Maps package. Okay, so what is pip? Pip is used to download and install Python packages and libraries. So we'll be using pip only to install Google Maps package. So let's begin with the installation of Python and pip. At first, go to the web browser. I'm using Chrome. You can use any web browser. On Google, type Python. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. python.org. Click on it. We have reached the official website. Now, when you will keep the cursor on downloads, the current version will be visible. That is 3.11.2, and we are downloading for Windows, which is fine. Click on it to download. The download started and completed. Double click on it to install. Minimize. Now you can see the setup started. At first, what you need to do, click on this, add python.exe to path. You can click on install now as well as customize installation. We want to see what we're installing, so I'll go for the customize installation button. Click on it. On clicking, you can see the optional features are checked, which is fine. It will install pip also. Pip is used to download and install Python packages and libraries, so keep it as it is. It will also install IDLE. IDLE is an ID to run Python programs. Okay, which is fine. Click on next. Now advanced option, you can directly click on install Python 3.11 for all users. Rest keep the same. This will also set the environment variables for Python. Python 3.11.2 will get installed here. You can click on browse to change the location, but keep it the same. It's fine. Click on install. Now the setup will begin. Now guys, the setup is successful. Click on close. So guys, we successfully installed Python and pip. Let us verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd. Click on open to open the command prompt. We will verify, then we will install the Google Maps library. Here and type python space -- version and press enter. So we successfully installed Python. Implement the same command for pip space -- version. So we installed pip also. Now I hope you remember I told you that to install any Python package and library we need pip. So I'll be using pip space install command and the name of the package. That's it. That is Google Maps. So press enter. So guys, you can see we successfully installed the Google Maps library. Here it is, the current library. So guys, in this video we saw how we can download and install the Google Maps package on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.